Hey everyone, Melissa here, and welcome back to my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share for May. I just had to remember what month it is, because if you're like me, you've been locked into April for so long that it sort of felt like it was never going to end. But anyway, um, I was inspired by Moira, who was inspired by Christy. And Moira is working on a project rather than, I guess, just a whole lot of layouts. And there's nothing wrong with doing a whole lot of layouts. In fact, doing a whole lot of layouts is my favourite thing to do. But I have projects that sit here and I have great plans for them and they never get done. And so the best way to do that, and I found this with my Fiji album that I made last year and How to Kill a Kit with Style, is actually to make a plan and have a month and have a kit and join in this wonderful YouTube collaboration, I guess it is, and get it done. So that's my intention with this. I've got Pink Paisley's Auburn Lane here. I'll show you this in a sec. This was a kit from the scrappery and I got it just as the scrappery. I'd left the scrappery and then I got this kit, and the owner was very kind to tell me I could keep it and tag the scrappery if I used it, which I will do. So most of it is the collection, and I think there may be a few things added in that the scrappery has put in. So I know most of you have seen this collection before. I've made one layout with it, and when I first saw it I thought I would struggle with it because I guess I'm more of a bright paper, bright colours kind of girl. But it's an absolutely stunning collection. I know that Laura Alberts has used it, and I loved the one thing I did make with it. And it's very autumn themed, and we're in autumn right now. And so my intention is to use this little Close to My Heart album, and it's a 4x4, and it's really, really sweet, and I've had it for ages and haven't used it. I've got 2 packs of page protectors. One is 4x4, and the other one is adorable little 2x2, so 4 little squares. And so during this sort of COVID-19 pandemic, we were locked down for a month or 5 weeks. It got extended, and now we're in the next level down where we're still kind of locked in, but we can go out a little bit more. And I've been mountain biking almost every day, and I have been taking photos, and I just love that. I've been biking the same sort of 3 tracks, and I've been taking photos, and I can see the changing season, and it's really beautiful where I live, here in Queenstown. And so I thought, what a great idea to do a little album. I've been journaling. I've been using Strava, which is like Map Your Ride, and you can do, at the end of each ride, you can add a photo and a description, and I've been doing that. And I just thought it'd be a great idea to document these mountain bike rides I've been doing during this pandemic, because in the future I'd want to look back and see what I was doing, and I've gotten quite fit from doing it too. And so I thought this collection would work really well. And the intention probably is not to kill the kit, because in a little album like this I'm not going to kill the kit, but I'm definitely going to get some of it used up. So that's my plan. And it might be that we get to the end of May, because I'll be scrapping mostly photos I've taken in April. But it may be that this album will keep going because we're not really sure how long we're going to be in this situation. So yeah, I'll just quickly take you through. Normally I'd show you the papers first, but I think because everything's here, I'll just show you the embellishments. So this is the must be a floral pack, and you can see that I've already used some of them. So florals and leaves. Obviously I've been into this one, but I've got the ephemera pack. And I know a lot of these sort of icons won't work with biking and landscape photos, but a lot of them will. So we'll see how I go. Got the sticker pack. I'm not going to open everything. Yeah, it'll make this video too long. Puffy stickers. And this is a really beautiful collection, and it totally was Laura using it and made me think that I should be using it too, because it's sitting there unused. These are some flowers, which I would probably struggle to use, but we'll see. I may even make some layouts if I make really good progress on this album. This is a pretty little pieces pack from the scrappery, so sequins, a doily, some flowers, little acrylic bows. some Craft pearls, the rub-on sheet, or rub-on sheets, so beautiful. Another pretty little pieces pack, big flower, fabric flower. Some of these beautiful doilies, which I love, 2 or 3 different sizes actually. A whole lot of washi, and if you know me in washi, I do struggle, but I think in a mini album it might actually be easier to use. We've got, what we got here? Another pretty little pieces pack with a frame and a few other goodies. The embellishments pack, so enamel shapes, sequins, and some lovely copper paper clips. Beautiful wood frames. Not sure if these will get used. I may even put one on the cover of this album to make the cover, so that will be fun. Sticker sheet. I thought I might have used some of them. I've used one for my journaling, I think. So that's lovely. We've got the thickers. So you've got 2 like this, gold and copper, sort of slight metallic. For thickers, I think I must have used some of these as well. I'm not going to take them out actually, you can see them there. And then because half of this kit would have been the main kit and the other half would have been the Pocket Life kit, so you always got cards. Not sure if I need to go through these, but I think there's some that are not papers from the kit, so you'd get papers that the curator had cut down. Just want to show you a selection. These will be great actually, because some of them will be perfect for those little pockets. You can see I've used some of them. That's the speciality paper that you can see there. It's a vellum. And then little 4x6s, and I just see there's some extra things put in. Oh, it is actually. I thought maybe it was embossed, but no, it's the 6x6 or 6x8 paper pad. So those will definitely be helpful. In terms of the papers, so there's the vellum, which is absolutely stunning. I'd almost want to save this for a 12x12 and fussy cut. This one here, another beautiful floral and a geometric. Some gorgeous houses. This would go so well with telling the story at the moment actually, for us being in autumn. And I'm thinking I might use this collection to make some pages for my 12x12 I'm making about COVID and our family's experience. Another floral, beautiful script, beautiful triangular pattern, pink stripe, another floral, and that's absolutely beautiful. That just, to me, wants to be a background. Houndstooth and a floral, another beautiful floral. That is gorgeous too. A cut apart sheet, and these look like they could fit quite well. Isn't that stunning? Smaller cut aparts, which will definitely be helpful for a small album, and that's beautiful as well. More florals, black and white, beautiful ledger. I'd want to use that as a background. This is gorgeous as well. It's a newspaper and a sort of a geometrical. So in looking at this, I mean, I think the first thing I'm going to have to do is decide what I want to use as backgrounds for 12x12 layouts. And then when I add in this, I mean, I'm going to use a lot of this to fill in these little pockets. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm now thinking, and having gone through this, that I probably will do some 12x12 layouts as well. So maybe I will get a lot of this killed. Anyway, we'll see how I go. So that is my plan. Below is a whole list of other lovely, wonderfully talented ladies that are playing along, so do go and check them out as well. And yeah, I'm really excited to get started on this little project. Thanks guys for watching. I'll be back again soon.